Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Nissan Rogue SV. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 147,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, Bluetooth, MP3 player, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.